This is my 2006 Infiniti G35 with a Vaydor kit on it. As soon as me and my dad got the kit, we went right to work. We gutted the car, we cut it, we put the lights on, and we even welded it. In just a couple weeks, it looked like a car again.
So this is the harness.
We're gonna be installing this Novo SS exhaust for the
Hey guys,
Corolla.
we got a new daily now. We have a 2013 Charger right here.
So at this point, I just want to drive the car and enjoy it. So I gave myself a deadline. I signed up for the next car show that I could find, which was the day after my birthday, which was also a month away. Right, update on the Vaydor. The whole rear is tubbed. We have most of the trunk ready, and we're getting ready to glue it. So that's the next step. We're gonna mark it, we're gonna glue it, and then that's it. This is the glue that we're gonna be using. Is panel bonding A115. And then we marked everywhere where the body was touching. That's where we're gonna glue. We use clamps to hold the body down, and then we use more glue on the gaps so the body would be more secure. The hood hinges are actually from a 01 to 05 Kia Rio. The hood has metal plates inside that we drilled and tapped, and on the bottom we're gonna fiberglass some metal plates to give the hood some strength and somewhere to bolt onto. Gas bucket is pretty easy. I just used 3 self-tappers to hold it in place while I fiberglassed it. And that's pretty much it. Now I just gotta find a fuel door to use. For the trunk, we used the original G35 inches, and let me tell you, they were not easy to take off. I don't think it's possible to take it off without grinding down the bolts. So after a lot of grinding, that's what we did. Rear diffuser, not much to do. We just made 2 squares for the lights to go in. And that's pretty much it.
One eternity later.
Now with the bodywork finally done, which was the part that took the longest in this month and looked so boring in the video, we can finally move on to doing other things. Right, the car's all painted now. Just a base coat so the rack can grab onto something. We didn't really need it painted, but we wanted to paint the insides of the engine and the door jambs as well. Before we move on to the wrap, we have to make sure everything is clean so the wrap can stick and there's no dirt under it showing. The wheels have to be clean. They're super dusty from all the sanding. And then the engine, all the inside, all of that. Came out really good, I think. Especially right here in the rear. Super smooth. So here's what I'm gonna do to make the grills. I grabbed this ABS mesh from Amazon. I'm gonna bend it with a heat gun. I already kind of did on these ones. I'm gonna glue it with the same glue that we use for the body, panel adhesive. And then to attach it to the actual car, I'm gonna be using these screws and fiberglassing them in. with a nut in the back to hold it in the car.
Alright guys, the car's all clean now. Finally all spotless. Hopefully not a lot of dirt on there. Shouldn't be any dirt. Look at that engine shine. Nice. We're gonna get a new filter for it because the filter was nasty. And this is the color that we're going with. Some metallic yellow from Vinyl Frog. Love that brand. Highly recommend it. Yeah, let's go ahead and start. We're gonna be working with a lot of different, I'm not gonna do it one piece because I'm not an expert and I don't know how. So we're gonna do a whole bunch of overlays. We're gonna start from the bottom up so you guys can see the seams, or at least that's the hope. Alright, finally done with the wrapping. I put the wind back on. I have a mess. Cleaned up the trunk a little bit. Can't forget the wrap logo on there. This is, you know, on here. Nice and secure. I don't have the upholstery yet, so this is how it's gonna have to be for now, at least. Started fitting the side splitters. The one on the other side is actually already on. It's on right there. Let me give you guys a good look. It's just finishing touches now, putting it all back together. License plate is on. Diffuser. Then got the LED lights right there. So I'm gonna continue cleaning. I'll update you guys. Alright, car should be all ready for tomorrow. It's kind of late at night. Some last minute things to do. Put all the stickers. We're gonna be putting more stickers probably if I got time. Last thing we gotta do, we got some cheap underglow. Thanks Govey for sending this out right before the event. Really fast shipping, so this shouldn't take more than 20 minutes. That'll be the last thing before the show, so I can get some sleep. Alright guys, we're here at the Gambare event here. My homie. Say hi. Anything to say?
Yo, Vaydor #1 on God.
So here's a car show. We're gonna go see the cars in a little bit. Car, we made it. It's done. Well, as done as I could get it. But yep, here it is. That was a rush. Whole month of work. Non-stop. It's looking nice. We are back. We got third place, which I think is pretty good. Considering that the car is not done. It's missing the interior and a couple other things as well. But yeah, we got third place, so pretty big accomplishment. I'm pretty happy. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.